Hello everyone. This is my final project for system programming. So as you could probably guess, since I have a plant here, what I wanted to create was a setup that tracked the moisture of the soil of my plants, because I always have an issue where I always over water my plants. So I figured if I had a better way to keep track of that, I would be in better shape. So let's hop right into it. My goal was to use as many of the original parts as possible, so I didn't have to order a bunch of stuff. So you see I turn it on here, the screen displays, just the soil moisture, and it refreshes every 1 second, or obviously 1,000 milliseconds. It refreshes the moisture. So we're getting a little bit of ambient moisture just because the moisture in the air, probably some resident moisture that's on the sensor itself. That's the sensor. I haven't actually put it in anything yet. So it's a pretty basic setup here. This is the chip that controls the sensor. You can see I have my potentiometer here that controls the brightness of the LCD screen. My Arduino Uno here is kind of flipped over, so don't mind that. The cord is all bent, but yeah. So I mean, it's a pretty simple setup. I did a basic LCD setup here with the, just hooking into the Arduino ports. Other than that, everything is like supporting this LED here. It lights up red if the soil moisture is below the I guess the recommended percent for the current plants. I have two different plants. I found out that this current plant right here, if it gets anywhere below 10%, it can start to wilt. So at anything below 10%, this light will light up and let me know that I need to water it. So that will kind of help me keep track of when things need to be watered and when they don't. So if we go ahead and stick the sensor into the soil, I believe you're supposed to put it down about 4 or 5 inches. So we put that in there. You see right away that the light went out because my plant is watered. So we're sitting at about 21%. It could definitely use watering, but at this point it's not an emergency. I'll probably water it tonight anyways, just cause. But so yeah, that's kind of how it works. Some things you have to be careful with is in different parts of the soil. There's you can find like moisture pockets or dry areas because obviously soil is not 100% mixed. It's a mixture of a lot of different things. But yeah, that is my final project. Thank you.